Hello children, how are you? Now take your science workbook with pencil. Open your book, page number 5. Children, we are going to check our previous class homework. Statements. They give us hints also, that is in 4th page. Grow, needs food, feel, reproduce, move, breathe. Okay, now first one, an apple seed becomes an apple tree. What is the answer? What did you write? Read your answer. Okay, children, now I have give some answer for you. Look at the screen. Okay, shall we check the answers? First one, an apple seed becomes an apple tree. What is the character? Grow. What is that? Grow. Second one, a mimosa plant close its leaf when it is touched. What is the action? Yes, feel. When that mimosa plant feel, it close their leaf. Yes or no? Okay. Third one, a dog gives birth to puppies. What is that action? What is the character? Reproduce. What is that? Reproduce. Fourth one, human beings and animals take in and give out air. What is the character? Breathe. What is that? Breathe. And fifth one, a horse eats grass and plants. What is that character? Needs food. Did you write correctly? Yes or no? Those who are write wrongly, you want to rub and write once again. You read the question, then only you write the answer. Sixth one, a sparrow flies in the sky. What is the character? Move. What is that? Move. Check the answer, all of you. Is there any wrong? Rub and write once again. Look at the screen. Next, A. Application based question. A. Tick the correct characteristics of living things that the following shows. Children, are you finished this question? Yes or no? Do you write the answer? Yes, a rabbit runs for its life when a cheetah chases it. What is the answer? Say. Fourth one, living things respond to changes around them. Living things can understand, yes or no, around them. So only rabbit runs for its life when a cheetah chases it. Are you understand this question? Fourth one, living things respond to changes around them. Okay, tick that box. B. Ankita placed two things X and Y in separate cages with food and water. Children, turn next page, page number 6. The first question, which thing is likely to be a living thing? Give reason for your answer. Children, what did you write? What is your answer? Read your answer. Louder. Everyone read your answer louder. Okay children, now look at the screen. I have give you an answer. You want to check that. X is a living thing because it is in first week 3 kg and fourth week it is become 9 kg. Children, if you write wrongly, you want to rub and write once again. You check the answer, all of you. Check it. X is a living thing because it is in first week 3 kg and fourth week it is become 9 kg. Have you written? Did you check the answer, all of you? Shall we go for 2? Second question is, what will be the weight of living thing in week 5? What did you write? Read your answer. Read louder. Okay, now look at the screen. I have give your answer. Now you going to check. Okay, look at the screen. The weight of living thing in week 5, 11 kg. Okay, check the answer, all of you. If you write wrongly, you want to rub and write once again. Write soon. All of you check your answer, first and second. Have you checked? Next, C. Complete the given crossword. Children, did you finish this homework? Okay, shall we check now? Across. The first question. Plants and animals dash with time. Plants and animals dash with time. What is the answer? What did you write? Read your answer, the first box. What is that? Very good. Grow. Children, now look at the screen. I have give your answer. You can see. Look at the screen, all of you. Grow. Grow. Those who are correct, lift your hand. Very good, children. Now, check your answer. Grow. Grow. Second one, down. Up to down. Animals dash by either laying eggs or giving birth to young ones. What is the answer? Say your answer. What is that? Reproduce. What is that? Okay, now check the spelling. 2 up to down. Reproduce. REPRODUCE. You want to write up to down. மேலிருந்து கீழாக எழுது. Second, you want to write reproduce. REPRODUCE. Are you correct? Yes or no? You can look at the screen, all of you. Okay. Have you checked your homework? Third one, leaves of dash plant close when touched. What is the plant? What is that? Mimosa. You want to write across, okay? Number 3. What is the spelling? MIMOSA. Mimosa. M-I-M-O-S-A. Check your spelling. Write fast. Now fourth one, down. Plants breathe through dash present in the leaves. Plants breathe through dash present in their leaves. What is the answer? What is that? Stomata. Shall we check the spelling? S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. All of you check your spelling. Next, fifth one, across. Insects like grasshopper and butterfly have dash that help to feel changes around them. What is the answer? How do grasshopper and butterfly change around them, feel changes around them? What is that? Antennae. Check the spelling. A-N-T-E-N-N-A-E. Antennae. A-N-T-E-N-N-A-E. Antennae. Okay. Now sixth one. Some animals dash from one place to another for a particular time. What is the answer? Migrate. What is that? M-I-G-R-A-T-E. Migrate. Check the spelling. M-I-G-R-A-T-E. Look at the screen and check your answer, all of you. Write correctly. Write in the box. First one, grow. That is across. Second one, you want to write up to down. Reproduce. Third one, across. Mimosa. Fourth one, stomata. You want to write up to down. Fifth one, antennae. Sixth one, migrate. Children, check your spelling, all of you. Have you checked? Next, page number 7. That is your homework. Hearts question. Children, this homework is very interesting. Study the given flow chart. Identify the things A, B, C and D using the hint box. Write your answer in the blank box. Hint box, table, line, nail, plant. Children, first one, start. Living. Okay. Next, across you see no. Once alive. No. A. What is that? That living thing. Once alive but not now. What is that? Next one, you want to write down. See down. Living thing. Yes. Can move around freely. Yes. What is that? That living things can move around freely. You write the answer. Box letter D. Next, beside you see living thing. No. Once alive. Yes. What is that? B. And can move around freely. C. Children, think nicely. You want to write the answer. Okay. Then look down. Skill based question. In the picture of a garden, colored the living thing with green crayon and non-living things with red crayon. You want to color the picture. What are living thing with green crayon, and you want to give red crayon non-living things. Okay. Now turn next page, page number 8. Color the picture that shows living things respond to changes in their environment. Children, we want to color the picture. Which picture shows living things respond to changes in their environment? The first picture, a frog with their kid. Yes or no? The first picture, inside you see that there is first one egg. Yes or no? That is frog egg. Next, tadpole. What is that? That is have leg. Second one, that is tadpole. What is that? Tadpole. Another one, froglet. Near the frog, froglet. Okay. Children, in this picture, what do you understand? Living things respond to changes? Yes or no? If it is respond to change in their environment, you want to color this picture. Second picture, a boy swims into the water. Third picture, a man waiting for bus. He stopped the call taxi. Fourth one, a tree. It shows more flowers for spring season. Children, you look nicely. This all picture, think nicely after you color this picture. Okay children, this is your homework. Are you understand? Okay. Children, page number 7 and 8 is your homework. Okay. You must write the homework. First of all, you want to read the book. Then you write the homework, read the classwork. Okay. Children, now take your science book. Take your science book. Have you take page number 10? We are going to little discuss. Okay. We have activity, group activity, life skill. Okay. Now take page number 10. All of you open your book. Science book. Have you opened? Yes, very good. Page number 10. Activity. Children, browse the internet and find out answer of the following question. Children, we want to find out the answer from the internet. Okay, shall we discuss about this? The first one, is an egg living or non-living thing? Children, all of you think nicely. Yeah, an egg is living or non-living thing? What is that? Living or non-living? An egg have inside a chick. Then it is a living thing. What is that? Living thing. And also you have another one question. Question number 2. Is a seed living or non-living thing? Is a seed living or non-living thing? Children, think nicely. A seed have inside a big tree. Yes or no? Then a seed living or non-living thing? What is that? Living. Okay. Discuss the answer in the class with your classmates. Children, are you understand about this? Is an egg living or non-living thing? What's the answer? Egg is a, what's that? Living thing. And next one is a seed living or non-living thing. A seed also a living thing because inside they have their, what's that? Egg have their chick, seed have their plant. Yes or no? Then group activity. Children, this is in the class activity. You are in the home. So just we read this. Let the class be divided into two groups. In the class, we want to divide two groups. Group 1 will make College of Natural Thing and Group 2 will make College of Man-Made Thing. Old magazines and newspaper will be given to both the groups from the school library. They will do cut and paste activity to make two different college. The colleges will be displayed at the activity corner. This is the classroom activity. Next one, life skill. Some man-made non-living things do not decompose and remain the same year after year. For example, plastics. This is threatening as such things clog the land and destroy the soil. On the other hand, some man-made things are made from the living resource which are limited in number. For example, paper is man-made, made from trees. Such things should not be wasted or used carelessly. The third RS, reduce, recycle and reuse, will help to deal with such situations. We should reduce using plastic bags and reuse them as much as possible. Similarly, we should recycle paper and reuse them. Gift wrapper can be reused. Suggest more such things to recycle, reuse and reduce. Children, what do you learn from this topic? சில man-made things or non-living things do not decompose and remain the same. சில non-living things made by மேனால் செய்யப்பட்ட non-living thingsஆல் என்ன செய்யாது, மணலில் சாயிலில் வந்து டெஸ்ட்ராய் ஆகாது. லைக் பிளாஸ்டிக் வந்து மண்ணில் என்ன செய்யாது, அழிஞ்சு போகாது. ஸோ வி வாண்ட் டு யூஸ் லைக் பேப்பர் ஆர் மேட் பை ட்ரீஸ், மரத்தால் செய்யப்பட்ட பேப்பர் அதை யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது that can destroy in the soil. Okay, so we want to use, what is that, paper. Then we can recycle the paper. Okay, நம்ம அதை வந்து மறுசுழற்சியும் பண்ணிக்க முடியும். ஓகே, திரும்ப ஒரு பேப்பரை அழித்து திரும்ப வேறு ஏதாவது பேப்பர்லேயே உள்ள ஏதாவது திங்ஸாக நம்மளால் செய்ய முடியும். ஸோ வி வாண்ட் டு யூஸ் பேப்பர் and we want to avoid plastic bags. Okay children, are you understand? Now this page we want to read. Okay, keep your finger and read. Okay, life skill. Keep your finger on life skill. Life skill. Say louder. Some man-made. Say louder. Some man-made non-living things do not decompose and remain the same year after year. For example, children, keep your finger and say louder. Plastics. This is threatening as such things clog the land and destroy the soil. On the other hand, some man-made things are made from the living resources which are limited in number. For example, paper is made from trees. Such things should not be wasted or used carelessly. The 3 R's: reduce, recycle and reuse will help to deal with such situation. We should reduce using plastic bags and reuse them as much as possible. Similarly, we should recycle paper and reuse them. Gift wrapper can be reused. Suggest more such things to recycle, reuse and reduce. Okay children, are you understand this page? Okay.